Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Negaunee High School, home of the Miners. My second visit to their campus here in Negaunee, Michigan in the Upper Peninsula. And just a beautiful morning again. Last time I came, we spoke about bullying and looking at someone's heart first. Today we talked about diversity and the need for human kindness, right? They have so many signs like this all around the school. And it's something so simple, but to me, it means so much, right? Like it just boils down to, if I had to do my entire 45-minute assembly in 2 words, it'd be stay kind or be kind or choose kind, right? That's what it comes down to really for all of us each and every day, that we have a choice, right? To either try to build others up or to bring them down. And so for this particular program, this shirt that I wear for this design that my friend and I made a couple of years back, you see the peace does start in our heart, right? And it says need human kindness because it's obviously the need is beyond there here in this world, but there's 2 people in this heart, because it's not just about self-love and self-respect and showing kindness to ourselves. We have to show it to someone else too, right? And it's so important we do this, because if you say something kind to another person or a group of people, or have an action that's very, very kind towards that specific person or community, it might not just change their hearts. It could be anybody else that's in eye shot or ear shot of hearing that kind word or seeing that kind action, that it might affect their heart in a positive way too. And I love as well that, again, home of the Miners here, the R in their acronym up here, it says respect and responsibility. And that's what this is really boiling down to, is trying to, have that self-respect and now go out into this world and start to show that to others, right? By how you treat them. And like Dr. King said, right, he talked about the dream that he had, that not just his 4 children, but everyone will one day live in a nation where they're not judged by the color of their skin or anything else, but by the content of their character. And that's who they are as a person, right? That's really their heart, how they treat themselves and others. That's what he was referring to. And this just kind of piggybacking off of MLK Day recently, of course, for all of us, we can remember, the life lessons that he taught us and some of the inspiring quotes from over the years. And look, through a series of motivational videos, some positive hip hop, some interactive examples, as well as some heartfelt stories, I was able to just build on that message from the previous school year and take it up a level. And a lot of the students responded. A lot of them came up to me afterward and shared their heart with me. And that was very encouraging, because knowing that, the culture and climate that they want to see here at their school, that they're going to own that, and that they want to, and that they know that we're all miracles. A lot of them asked me to sign the M on their palm. That's very touching, right? And I bring this up at all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it. I trace one of mine here, but we have at least one in each hand, and that M does stand for miracle and for Miners. Upside down W for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. And we have to choose that, right? We have to be that light to others' hearts. We have to show that unconditional love, that love without any conditions, that we also spoke deeply about in today's program. And again, just keep trying to have that kindness grow and grow and grow. And it starts in here. So thank you so much again for touching my heart. It was great seeing all of you. Hope to be back again in the future. Have a great rest of the school year, though, until now. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.